Hi, my name is Liz, and I'm the Technical Product Specialist here at SimplePractice. Today I'm going to show you how to use our telehealth feature and also cover some best practices to ensure your telehealth appointments provide a seamless and convenient experience for you and your clients. What is telehealth? Through audio and video over the internet, you can meet with your clients on the go from your desktop, laptop, tablet, or mobile device, iOS or Android. It's your choice. Telehealth by SimplePractice allows you to connect with clients anywhere with secure and convenient appointments that save you time and hassle. There's no need to deal with traffic when you can schedule and attend your appointments directly from a laptop or mobile device. It is available on our Professional Plan and Professional Plan for Groups for $10 per clinician per month for unlimited hours of video appointments with your clients. How does telehealth work in SimplePractice? In SimplePractice, your telehealth sessions all take place within your telehealth office. The telehealth office is its own location within your SimplePractice account. When you make your first telehealth appointment with your client, select your telehealth office from the Locations menu. Once an appointment is added, you'll see a video camera icon in the appointment block on your calendar indicating that the appointment will be held via telehealth. Our telehealth feature is fully HIPAA compliant. Clients can only access your office via a unique link sent to them before their appointment. You will want to make sure that your telehealth clients receive email appointment reminders so that they get the link. It will be sent to them both in their usual appointment reminder and again 10 minutes before the start of the appointment. You can resend it at any time by opening the appointment and clicking Share Link. Neither you nor your clients need to download any additional software on your computer to use telehealth. If you are using your phone, you and your clients can download our free Telehealth by SimplePractice app from the iTunes or Android app stores. Before your first telehealth appointment, you'll want to check a few things to make sure you'll have the best experience with your clients. Getting set up for telehealth. Since telehealth is a video conferencing platform, make sure the internet connection in your office meets the requirements for high-quality video and audio streaming. At the bare minimum, both your upload and download speeds need to be at least 10 megabits per second. However, for the best experience, you'll want upload and download speeds of 35 megabits per second or higher. If you're not getting that speed right now, you'll want to reach out to your internet service provider and speak to them about upgrading your internet plan. In addition to a reliable connection, you will need a computer or mobile device with both a camera and a microphone. Make sure whichever device you are using has the most up-to-date version of its operating system and browser. For browsers, we strongly recommend Chrome, but Safari and Firefox are also supported. Location, location, location. Choosing a spot for your telehealth appointments is important. It should be a quiet, well-lit location where you won't be disturbed. If you can, move your router closer to you while holding your sessions to optimize your connection. Holding a telehealth appointment. When it's time for your appointment, open the appointment from the calendar and click Start Video Session. This opens up your video office within your browser. Select your camera and microphone and click Join Video Call to start the session. On your client's end, they will open up their unique video link from their email and it will also open in their browser. They'll choose their camera and microphone and then join you in the session. If they arrive before you, they'll wait in your digital waiting room until you join. Once the appointment is over, click Leave to turn off your video and microphone and exit the window. Troubleshooting common issues. Our telehealth feature exceeds industry standards for reliability and stability. If you notice your appointments are not meeting these standards, there are several things you can do to improve your experience. The audio and/or video is cutting out and my client and I are talking over each other. This is due to a poor internet connection on either you or your client's end. Both of you should run internet speed tests to ensure you're getting enough speed to hold a telehealth appointment. When running these tests, besides making sure your upload and download speed are both 10 megabits per second or higher, you'll want to ensure your latency is under 300 milliseconds. Latency measures how long it takes data to make a round trip from one computer to another. High latency leads to choppy sessions and talking over each other. I'm hearing an echo. This frequently occurs due to the placement of the microphone and speaker on one participant's end. The best solution is to use headphones. One participant can't see and/or hear the other. Because telehealth operates within your browser, if your browser's access to your camera and/or microphone is blocked, your client won't be able to see or hear you. Locate your browser's settings menu and ensure camera and microphone access is allowed. If you want a tutorial on how to locate these settings, check out our Help Center guide called How to Enable Camera and Microphone Access for Telehealth. My camera or microphone has permission and is plugged in, but it stopped working. Cameras and microphones, like computers, have software that requires updates from time to time. Look up your model of camera and microphone and see if a software update is available. If it is, install it. We want to make sure you and your clients have the best telehealth experience. If you have any questions about our service, you can always click on the Help button in your account and submit a request to our product specialist team.